Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to make your iPhone minimalist. So in order to make your phone look clean and simple, we have some options to show you. The first thing we're going to do is to place icons in groups. This means that we can simply just tap and hold on an app, and then when it wiggles, we can simply place another app over it, and then a folder will be created, and then we can name it accordingly. And now you can see the apps are in folders, are more categorized, and it looks easier to the eyes. The next thing we're going to do is to change the wallpaper to something simple. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Settings and then look for Wallpapers. And then we're going to click on a new wallpaper and then get to select from the options we have available. So the idea is to get something plain. So we're going to choose the last option here. As you can see, this looks plain and simple. So we're going to select it and make this our wallpaper. We can do this by clicking Add New Wallpaper. Now the other option is to add widgets to our homepage. Widgets serve as windows into apps, so we're going to select a widget and place in our homepage. Now in order to do this, you need to tap and hold on our home screen, and when the widgets start wiggling, you can see at the top left corner the plus icon. When you tap on the plus icon, you're going to see the options for other widgets. In this case, we'll be selecting the calendar widget, where we can see not just the date, but also some information for the date. So if we have this, we're going to get rid of the calendar app itself. Now the other option we have is to optimize our dock. We can do this by removing apps we don't frequently use and leave apps that we always use, such as messaging and browsing. Now the other option we have is to go into Focus. Focus helps us to quickly have a setting for our app if we're busy in a meeting or if we're driving or something else. So we're going to go to Settings, we're going to choose Focus, and in Focus, we have some options here. So we're going to click on the plus icon at the top right of this screen, and here we can see more options to pick from. As you can see, what do you want to focus on? And we're choosing driving. So this is a common focus that many would like to use. So we're going to select driving. And here you can see the option for driving focus, and you can have some personalized settings to make it better for you. And after doing that, we can simply go back, and there we have driving as a new option in focus. And we're going to select driving, and there we have driving in our new focus. So when we get to our homepage and slide from top to bottom, we're going to have the option. Then we can press and hold on the Do Not Disturb option. Here we have driving as an option because we just created it, and we're going to select it if we want to. Another option is to go to Settings and adjust notifications. So we're going to go to Settings, click on Notifications, and then we have some options. These options can help us to customize the different apps we have in our iPhone. So we could set the type of banner for our notification app so the notifications are only shown if we really need them. And then the other option is to go to Settings again, and then we're going to click on Control Center, and in Control Center, we can customize the apps that we really need. That way, after customizing it, we can have just the apps that are important to us. So this is how to make your iPhone minimalist.